Hey guys, this is a carry-on bag. It is specifically designed to fit into the carry-on basket measurements at the airports, but then it also comes with wheels and an extendable handle. Here's the bag. You can see that it has pretty good size without the wheels. This perfectly fits into the airport measuring basket to make sure that you are good for the carry-on size. Check it out. However, the wheels are very strong and good size. Just press this button right here and put the wheel in. All of them are the same, so you don't need to worry which one goes where. So easy. Nice handle that pulls out. Leather handle right here. There's a front pocket. Another pocket up front. Right behind that one. Has 3 dividers in here. This is the extending zipper, which allows you to kind of compress all your items in there. And then if you don't need to, you can kind of just extend it to make more space inside of the bag. We have some more pockets on the inside. And each of them has a zipper, so nothing flies out when you open it. Check this out. You can just put something here and close it with this really nice, good quality zipper. We have straps right here that prevent the front portion of the bag to just swing open. You could put stuff in here and you would just have the front side open like this here, or remove the straps and let it open fully. This divider has padded walls everywhere. You can use this for a tablet. This is perfect for a laptop. And we have this stretchable strap right here with the Velcro. You would just attach it here. You have the straps to hold clothes or whatever you put in here. Combination lock for the zippers. It has very good construction. Looks very good. Made of great quality materials. We also have this strap right here to remove the wheels. Super easy and quick. Just press this button and remove the wheel.